Ghent, a GMI company. In this video, we will show you how to install the Hex Whiteboard. Begin the installation by checking the parts list. Verify that all parts and hardware are included with your assembly. Your Hex is designed for mounting to a variety of wall surfaces. For the most secure mounting, fasten the Hex to as many wall studs as possible. We recommend using number 8 by 2.5 inches panhead self-tapping screws. When wall studs cannot be used, we recommend using expandable type wall anchors. The following tools are recommended for this installation. Begin the installation by choosing an arrangement of the hexes that you like and lay out the arrangement of the hexes flat on the ground. For easy installation, the mounting bracket of each hex is located on the back, right on the center of the hex. This is where the mounting screw is inserted. Next, locate the wall you wish to mount the hex on. Choose a location on the wall and mark the location. Scribe a mark on the wall where the middle of your first hex will be placed. Next, drill a pilot hole using a power drill. Install the provided screw into the wall at the scribed mark. Sink the screw into the wall until the provided shoulder makes contact with the wall. If needed, you can also use the wall anchors if the provided screws cannot be used with the wall you wish to install the hex on. You may use a screwdriver or an electric drill with a Phillips head screw to adjust the screw in or out to allow for a better fit. After installing the screw, use the provided installation fixture to mark the location of the next hex locations. Before marking the holes, ensure that the spirit levels in the installation fixture are leveled. Please note that there are multiple holes in the installation fixture that show the different spacing between the hex. Repeat this step until all locations are marked, and make sure the fixture is level when measuring the center of each marked location. After determining the orientation for the next hex, simply repeat the previous steps until all hex locations are marked. Next, align a hex to the previously marked area on the wall and push the hex toward the wall. Make sure the screw fits inside the mounting bracket. As you install the hex onto the installed screw, ensure that the hex is fully seated on the screw and that it is not misaligned. Finally, repeat these steps for the remaining hex based on the desired amount you wish to install and orientation. If you wish to install additional hex whiteboards for additional space or a different pattern, simply repeat all previous steps as shown in this video. Use the template fixture. Mark the holes, insert the screws, and attach the hex as required. Congratulations! You have completed the installation of the Hex Whiteboard. Enjoy your new Hex Whiteboard. Brought to you by Ghent, a GMI company.